Hi Bees, it's Soya. Do you like my makeup? I feel like this turned out super pretty. So I have a makeup tutorial for you and today we are going to recreate this look. This is so different from what I normally do, but I don't mind stepping out of my comfort zone at all. So I tried warm colors this time. Brown, kind of muted, little orange, and I actually like it. I feel like this is perfect if you have brown eyes or warm undertones, or if you want to try something new like me. I don't know if you noticed, but yes, I have colored contact lenses on. I told you guys they elevate every makeup look. I'm using these from Tinaco Lenses, and if you want to purchase contact lenses from them, I have a discount code for you, which is SOYA, and you can get 10% off site-wide. I highly recommend them, by the way, because they are super comfortable and I have no issues at all. You can see they are not moving around, and I feel like with this makeup they don't look super unnatural. I also got 2 more lenses from them, so I'm going to show you guys. This one is such a gorgeous vibrant ocean blue color, and this one is a gorgeous bluish kind of purple color. So beautiful. They look magical. Like I feel like a fairy wearing these. So yeah, definitely check them out. And look how cute the packaging is. These are also daily contact lenses, which means that they have higher water percentage, so they are even more comfortable than normal contact lenses. So yeah, I decided to change my eye color, rocking brown eyes now with warm tone makeup, which is crazy, but I don't mind stepping out of my comfort zone. Let's get into the makeup tutorial. So I already done my base. I used some concealer and I also applied some lip plumper. By the way, let me know if you prefer voiceover makeup tutorials or talking makeup tutorials. So now I'm going to contour my nose. And I'm using this contour stick from Shiglam. It has a highlighter side and a shading side. So I'm just doing the basic exclamation mark kind of contour. I don't have problems with my nose shape. I actually like it. So I just kind of enhance it with this contour and lift it up a little bit. So I'm just doing, as I said, the basic exclamation mark contour. But it might not work for everyone because, you know, we all have like different shape and size noses. So I suggest that contour your nose based on your nose shape. Done. Next is a good trick to brighten your under eyes. So I'm going to use a purple or lilac blush shade and I'm going to apply it under my eyes. Just like this. And let's blend it out. Done. My under eyes look so much brighter already. I'm going to use a setting powder to set my under eyes, and then we are going to move onto eye makeup. I'm going in with this warm nude color as my base. Next, I'm going to use this darker brown shade to give a little bit of depth and definition. Contour my eyes kind of. And I'm applying it to the outer corner of the eye. Next, I'm taking this warm brown blush shade and I'm going to blend everything together with it. Such a pretty warm brown shade. I'm taking some of this super bright beige shade. I'm going to apply it under my eyes. Oh my god. Okay. It is pigmented. Next, I'm going to use this brown shimmer shade. I'm going to apply it with my fingers. Next, this champagne color. Using the same finger, I'm going to blend them together. And I'm going to use this shade to blend everything together. Next, I'm going to use this dark brown shade under my eyes. Then it's time for eyeliner. Since this makeup look is warm toned, instead of using a black eyeliner, I'm going to use a dark brown eyeliner pencil. Then blush. I'm going to apply it all across my cheek. Don't be scared, guys, we are going to blend it out. See the difference? Don't forget your chin. By the way, the fluffier the blush, the easier it is to blend. Now it's time for highlighter. First this light brown shade. And then this white and gold glitter shade. I'm going to use some of the light brown shade under my eyes as well. Lips. I'm going to use this brown lip pencil to overline my lips. And I also filled them in as well. It's time for lip gloss. We are almost done. I'm going to curl my natural eyelashes. Next is fake eyelashes. And of course, contact lenses. I'm going to use these 3 lashes. They are called L Curl Cat Eye Fake Eyelashes. I'm going to use these lenses from Tuscan. They are called 2AM Brown. Such a nice brown honey color lens. Because trust me guys, this makeup look will look so much better with brown lenses. And this is the result. The contact lenses make such a huge difference. I hope you guys like it. Ta-da! Don't forget to check out Tuscan lenses and use my code SOYA to get 10% off of your order. Don't forget to show some love for this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you my loves in the next one. Bye!